Hello guys, welcome to my channel. I wait all year round just for this one video. I love Christmas and I can't wait to turn this lamp to a Christmas winter landscape. So before I tell you the plan, let me tell you about the inner fight. I had this lamp in my shed for maybe 6 years and I never used it. Those type of lamps that you have outside and you put a candle, I never did that. Never have a guest. I don't really like sit outside in the winter. In summer it's too hot to think about candles. So I thought this year I'm gonna use it for something useful. If it can stop rattling, I think you need to get off the table. Anyway, I had this idea in my head to make like a Christmas scene with a tree and some gifts around and stuff like that. And then I thought, like, I did something similar last year, maybe I should change. Then I decided that maybe I should make an outside scene because for some magical reason it's not cold enough in Sweden to have snow. So I decided to have snow in my own little world. The first thing I wanna do, find out why this is keep rattling and can I fix it? Okay, I can't. I always like to do my scenes on a piece of cardboard for a few reasons. And the first and most important reason, it's easier to film so you can see what I am doing. The second reason, if I ever decided that I wanna remove it from whatever like structure I'm using, I can do that. Whether to change like the, what is called, like the lamp or the greenhouse or whatever, or whether if I don't like the scene anymore and I want something new. So, cardboard. Of course, I have to start with measuring and cutting. And now it's time for landscaping. For the landscape, I would like to have some trees and snow and maybe a few Christmas decor, light for sure. So let's start with laying the trees the way we like them. I have a couple of trees here I got from my local craft shop. The whole project started with this tree. I really want to use this tree somewhere. I tried last year and it was too big for my miniature, and this year it's a different color. And I actually like this color more because it's a little bit bluish, and for the month of December we did not have an hour of sun, and this is more of an accurate presentation. Sadly. So the goal is to make this look deeper than it is, and to do that I need to have the big tree on the front and then the smaller tree on the back to give it depth. Before I add the trees, I want to add those lamps. I'm gonna try to lay out the trees and stuff and see how it will look before I commit. This was a little bit of a disaster because the trees started to get stuck to my sweater and I got hot glue on my sweater, but in the end I got what I wanted. Now it's time to make it snowy and wintry. To make it snowy and hide the wood pieces here, I am going to add a layer of white paper clay so I can landscape it and have as much as white before I add the snow, because the snow I have is very, very, very thin. It's not gonna cover well. This is not the easiest thing to film. So the majority of the landscape now is covered by paper clay, and the rest is left for acrylic and other material to get the fluffy snow texture. So while my landscape drying, I'm going to work on the upper part. I would like to have some ornaments hanging from the sky, ceiling, call it what you want. My original plan was to use red ornaments, but I couldn't find that, so I got some tiny golden one. And also I'm gonna use a fairy light. And to build the structure, I'm going to use this metal wire. I would love if this was black so it blends more, but this is what I found, so this is what I'm gonna use. This is finally over. I rolled the light all around and then I added 2 more wires in the middle so I can hang ornaments from. It fits good. The only problem that I wanted this to be on the outside, like something like this, and have everything else inside, but that doesn't work because this is very small and it's gonna be like hard to roll it while it's so complicated. So I decided that it's a problem for future me. So this is gonna be up and this is gonna be down, and I can't attach the ornament until I can know like the height and the placement. So I need this to dry first, and this is super wet, can't be dry anytime soon, so I'll have to wait for this to dry and then we will continue. Paper clay has dried a little, and usually I use toilet paper all over my seam, but this time I'm just gonna use it on the edges and leave the rest for acrylic. So my original plan was to paint white over the paper, but I kind of like the color of the paper. It could be like the darker snow or the shade that like you see in the snow. I'm just going to use cool white to paint the places where I can still see the cardboard. It's time for snow. Of course I forgot my mic. I'm not used to it yet. I don't know if I will ever be, but we will see. So before I start putting snow on this one, I am going to use a heat gun to dry it a little. Well, that was effective. And now I wanna put some snow. I wish I had any type of spray glue, but I don't. So I will continue with the Mud Budge. Why everyone over this planet pronounced wrong? Do you have any idea? I will work on chunks. Oh, I forgot to show you what I'm gonna use for snow. I bought this snow from Amazon long time ago, and this is what I'm gonna use. So this is gonna be messy. It's like salt more than snow. It's very messy stuff. This turned out very cool. I really like it. I would like to add some more snow on the big chunks in the back, but in general I like it. I tried to speed the drying process, but there were snow flying everywhere, and I don't think I want that. I have to clean anyway, but if I can minimize the area of cleaning, that would be perfect. So I'll let this dry and then we will add more snow. While that's drying, I want to continue working on this. I don't know if I already said that, but I wanted those to be red. I really wanted them red, but there is no red. I have too many here. Maybe I want to try to put some snow on them. This is my least favorite, so I'm gonna try that. And then just... I don't know. What do we think? Shall I do all of them like this? Which one you prefer? Let me know. I want to connect those to this, but I want them to look like they are floating. And to do so, I have, of course, stolen from my daughter this line. It's for making bracelets. I didn't really steal it. I asked her and she kindly gave it to me. If you don't have little girls you can borrow or steal stuff from, you can use fishing line. Before I insert my snowscape to my lamp. I need to clean it a little. To clean the lamp itself, I'm using wet wipes. I would like to have some maybe snow on the glass. I'm going to like just a little bit. And the final thing is to put this landscape inside. We need to wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Ah. Please fit. Oh. I almost got a heart attack. I thought it would not fit. I love it. Maybe it's not what I imagined, and this project went so many directions, but I really like it. I can't wait until I put it outside. So before I leave you with the final reveal, I would like to thank you for watching my video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and see you in my next one. Bye. Peace.